Hello, my name is Milena Cuervo. I am 31 years old. I study industrial engineering and I am now in the sixth semester. The theme I choose is the importance of vaccination against COVID-19. The coronavirus is the strangest virus the world has ever faced. This virus killed millions of people in the world. We had to quarantine ourselves around the world to prevent the virus from spreading. The world went through an economic crisis and hospitals collapsed due to infect people. People began to suffer from anxiety and depression due to the quarantine. Scientists working in different laboratories developed different vaccines. They were first administered to the elderly. Currently, most of the adult population has been immunized. Some one of them are Pfizer, Sinovac, Moderna, AstraZeneca. The importance of the vaccines is that it trains the immune system to create antibodies against the virus. Vaccination prevents serious diseases from COVID-19 and reduces the number of hospitalizations and deaths. Labs have done clinical trials to ensure the vaccine is safe and effective. Vaccination is the process of administering a vaccine to the body. The nurse administers the vaccine with injections in the upper arm. Side effects after vaccination are fever, headache, fatigue, pain in the arm. Thank you.